Welcome to TechNet. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rotas Kumar, working as an associate professor in the Department of Management in TechNet Institute of Advanced Study. In this lecture, we will discuss about the concept of production and operation management. Let's now start what is production. Production is an international of producing something in an organized manner. So, it is the fabrication of a physical object through the use of man, material, and some other function, which he has or some utility, for example, repair of an automobile, legal advice to a client, banks, hotels, and transport companies, etc. Therefore, production is a process of combining various materials which has been inputs and immaterial inputs such as plants in order to make something for consumption the consuming goods which can be called output. It is the act of creating output such as a good or service which has value and contributes to the utility of an individual. So let's now discuss about the meaning of production management. So therefore, production management is a branch of management which is related to the production function. Production may be referred to as the process which is concerned with the conversion inputs which may be known as raw material, money, machinery, market, etc. Input has been converted into output, semi-finished goods, finished goods, and service also. With the help of certain process having the planning, scheduling, and controlling, etc. While management is a process of exploitation of these factors of production in order to achieve the desired results. So, production management then becomes the process of effectively planning and regulating the operation of that part of an enterprise which is responsible for actual transformation of materials into finished products. Let's now discuss about the various tasks of production management. First, it is specified and accumulated the input resources. For example, management, man, money, material, machinery, market. Secondly, designing and installing the assembling of conversion process to transformation inputs into output. Third one, coordination and operating the production process so that the organization should achieve the desired results at a minimum cost. Therefore, let's now start discuss about the scope of production management. There are various activities that form scope of production function which can be analyzed and studied in the various following broad areas. First is product selection and design. The product mix makes the production system either efficient or inefficient. Selection the right products, keeping the mission and overall objective of the organization in the mind is the key of the success of the organization. So, design of the product which gives it enough functional and aesthetic value, which is a paramount importance, which is the design of the product which makes the organization competitive or non-competitive. Second, activities related to production system designing. Design related to the production system is one of the most important activity of the production management. This activity is related to the production engineering, which includes the problem of regarding the designing of tools, design, development, and installation of equipment, which is the selection of optimum size of the firm. So, all these areas require the technical expertise on the part of production manager and all the staff of the organization. Let's now start third point, facility location. The selection of an optimal plant location which is very much dependent upon the decision taken regarding production engineering. A wrong decision may prove disastrous. Location should, as far as possible, cut down the production and distribution cost. So there are various diverse factors to be considered for the selection the location of a plant. Let's now discuss about the next trope, method study. The next decision regarding the production system design which is concerned the use of those techniques which are concerned the work environment and work measurement. Standardization of methods should be devised for the performing the repetitiveness function for the efficiently and effectiveness. Next scope is facilities layout and materials handling. Plant layout deals with the arrangement of machineries, plant facilities. The machine should be so arranged that the flow of production remains smoothly. There should not be overlapping, duplication, or interruption in the production flow system. So, product layout where the machines are arranged in a sequence required for the processing of a particular product, and process layout where machines performing this similar process which are grouped together are two more popular methods of your layout. Next scope is production planning. The decision in the production planning include the preparation of short-term production schedule, plan for maintaining the records of raw materials, finished and semi-finished stock, specifying how the production resources of the concerns are to be employed over some future time in the response to the predicted demand for the products and service. Next is production control. After making planning, the next managerial production function is to control the production according to the production plan, because production plans cannot be activated unless they are properly guided and controlled. For this purpose, the production manager has to regulate work assignment, review work process, and check and remove discrepancies, if any, in the actual and planned performance. Next is inventory control. Inventory controls deals with the controls over raw materials, work in progress, finished products, stores, supplies, tools, and which is included in the production management. The raw materials, supplies, etc. should be purchased at the right time, of the right quality, in the right quantity, from the right resources, and at the right price. So, therefore, it has been considered as 5 R's, which has been consideration for the scientific purchasing, which has been denoted and known as capital R. Next, now discuss about next point, which is called as quality control. The other important decision taken by the production manager which is concerned quality control. Product quality refers to the composition of product characteristics of engineering and manufacturing which determines the degree to which the product in use will meet the expectation, desire, needs of the customers. So, quality control can be ensured through the techniques of inspection and statistical quality control methods. Next scope is maintenance and replacement. In this point, we will cover preventive methods to avoid machine breakdowns, maintenance, policies, and regarding repairing the replacement decision. Maintenance manpower is to be scheduled and repair jobs are to be systemized. There are some preventive replacement also. Machine condition is to be constantly monitored and estimated. Effective maintenance is a crucial problem for India, which can help better capacity utilization and make operation system productive enough for the achieving the objective of the organization. Next scope of production is, which is very important, cost reduction and control. Cost reduction ultimately improves the productivity. The industry becomes competitive. Essentially, cost reduction and cost eliminations are productivity techniques, value engineering, budgetary control, standard costing, cost control of labor and materials, etc., which can be helpful to keep cost optimal. So, therefore, we can conclude that production is a system which can be called as a process in which inputs converted into outputs having using the transformation process by using inputs man, money, machinery, material, market, etc., converted into finished goods and needs the customer desire. For more watching like this and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.